What's up, Rogue fam? So, for a long time, I thought I knew what good food meant. Big flavors, bold cooks, smoke, fire. But somewhere along the way, I started to feel like something was missing. So, I've done some digging, some soul searching. Started to rethink Rogue Barbecue. How it started, where it's at, and where it's going, where I'm going. So after a lot of thought, I've decided to rebrand Rogue Barbecue to something that aligns with who I'm becoming and I guess where food's taking me next. Still Rogue, just different. So without further ado, I would like to introduce the next chapter of Rogue, the Rogue Vegan. You know, in a world that feels so uncertain, I've come to realize something simple. Vegetables. Vegetables are really the only thing we can count on. They speak to us through their color, through their energy, and through their nourishment to us. And from the bottom of my heart, I just really love salad. Yeah, right. Just kidding. But also, no offense to the vegans and the vegetarians. That's cool. But here, we will definitely be eating meat. And my relationship with food might be changing, but not to that degree. Happy April Fools, and please like and subscribe.